Hi there. AI is on everyone's lips these days. It's changing how we work, how we communicate, and yes, how we learn. So, what does that mean for English learners? Should we just all switch to ChatGPT and call it a day? Not quite. In today's video, I'll walk you through what to expect with AI and English learning in the months to come. And more importantly, how you can use AI to support your learning, not replace the essential human touch. If you're interested in improving your English with smart tools and human guidance, don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell, and give this video a thumb up. We've got lots of practical tips and real-life learning advice coming your way. Let's start with the good news. AI is already transforming the way we learn English. Do you need help with an email? AI can draft it for you. You're not sure about a word? It will translate it instantly. These tools can be super helpful when used the right way. But let's be real for a moment. AI is smart, but it's not a teacher. It won't give you the motivation when you're tired or stuck. A teacher will. It won't help you navigate real-life speaking situations, like meetings, interviews, or small talk. And talking to an AI can be great, especially if you're shy. But it's like talking to yourself, because confidence doesn't come from chatting with a bot. It comes from practicing in real situations. You see, English can't live in your second brain. It needs to live in your first one. Active, alive, and ready to go. Pro tip number 1, English can't be delegated to your second brain. You want to use English as spontaneously as possible. So, how do you use AI the smart way? Use it to polish your writing. But don't just copy and paste. Use the suggestions to learn from your mistakes. Use translation tools, but only when you're really stuck. Challenge yourself first. AI is a fantastic assistant, but if it's not used properly, it can kill creativity and learning. Don't let it limit your efforts to master English. Pro tip number 2, AI is a fantastic tool when you make the effort. In the next few months, expect to see more and more AI-enhanced learning. AI is a wonderful opportunity that can provide support and help teachers provide the most value in nurturing the personal connection with their students. Let's take the smart lesson summaries that we are developing at Live English. We believe that when a teacher is focused on the right things, like listening to you, correcting you in an encouraging way, pushing you to get your English to the next level, you get the best value for your time. The smart lesson summaries are an invaluable tool to track progress, vocabulary learned, pronunciation issues, grammar problems. That is AI generated and gives more space for the teacher to lead the lessons in the best possible way. Because even with all this tech, there's only one thing AI can't replace: connection. That moment when someone smiles because they understood you, when you speak up in a meeting and feel proud, when you make a joke and people laugh. That's what learning a language is really about. So here's my message to you. Don't be afraid of AI. Be curious. Be strategic. Use it to help you review. Use it to prepare. Use it to boost your confidence. But never forget, it's the human practice, the conversations, the challenges, the support that turn English into a real skill, not just a tool. Pro tip number 3, combining the power of AI with practice with real teachers. gets you the best of both worlds. If you're ready to combine the best of AI and human learning, check out our courses at Live English. And if this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with a friend who's learning English too. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.